Alright, today we're going to be changing out the exhaust on my 2002 BMW GS1150 Adventure with the Two Brothers racing system. There's the straight pipe that's going to get rid of the cat. And obviously before we change it, we're going to give you a before and an after once it's done. So here we go. Alright, so I just unpackaged everything out of the box and just took a quick look at everything, put on drop sheets not to scratch anything up. So that's going to be the straight pipe that's going to take out the cat right there. Obviously your muffler, get a bunch of gasket makers, stuff like that. And these instructions, it's hard to read, but you can barely read that. So you'd almost have to zoom in, but it's very unclear with the instructions right now to what even it says. Alright, in order to take off the exhaust or muffler, I had to spray some Move It. WD-40, whatever you got will work. On this 5mm bolt right here. It's pretty rusted, so I didn't want to come off. So I'm just loosening that off. I'm going to take the exhaust support off, and then I'm just going to take the whole exhaust off next. So took a little bit to wiggle because I couldn't loosen that fully because it was just a little bit stripped, but got the exhaust off. So next thing will be from the headers, taking the cat off. Alright, so the next step is going to be taking the cat off. So on both sides there's two 16mm bolts to take off. I've already loosened them off. And then two T35s right there. One on the other side, I already took the one on the other side out. So we'll just get started here in 1 second. We'll take this apart. These bolts are fairly long as well. So pull this off. Then we'll be ready to slide this out and drop it here in a second. Just got to remember when doing this, there is an O2 sensor right above here. So don't pull it out, ripping everything. Alright, so this bracket's stuck, I can't twist. So I'm a little bit stuck on the kickstand here right now. It's a little hard to see. I'm gonna get the O2 sensor out. I have it supported here right now. And then once I get the O2 sensor out, I'm gonna try. So I tried using Move It and a bunch of stuff to take this bracket all apart because it was jammed up. So what I ended up doing is just loosening it. And then with a flathead screwdriver and a hammer, just pushing this clamp back over. And then that's enough for the cat just to drop out. Now I'm just going to set it up and get the O2 sensor out. Alright, so I got the torch out, obviously. So to get to the O2 sensor here, I had to heat it up. Tried, move it, different stuff again. Had to bring up the torch to get to budge. So that's it. O2 sensor's coming out. So now we got the bypass pipe in for the cat. Just put your clamps on first beforehand. You will have to loosen the heads off a little bit and pry the pipe in just because it's not the nicest fit. So alright, now on to the next step. Alright, my camera battery died, but obviously the next step is to put the O2 sensor in the bypass pipe, install the exhaust or muffler, There's a flange here. It bolts right through. You don't need any gaskets or anything that comes in the kit. Put the springs in. You do have to use the support they give you in the kit. And then this is the saddlebag with the clearance and how everything looks. Solo turned out quite all right. I'm just gonna get suited up and go for a quick boot now. Alright guys, that's a wrap. More or less this bike just sounds like a 450 4-stroke dirt bike. Hopefully this video helps you out, and I'll see you guys on the next one.